Hello everyone, this is Attorney Gerano Paulo B. Pulido. Na-curious ba kayo kung paano natin pinapawalang bisa ang kasal dito sa Pilipinas? Do you want to know how do we dissolve or terminate marriage here in the Philippines? Especially now that the issue between Ellen Adarna and Derek Ramsey keeps on popping up in our cell phone, in our Facebook Reels. Should they eventually decide to terminate their marriage, ano ba yung case na i-file nila? Meron ba silang ground? So yun ang aalamin natin. So I will be discussing just briefly, mabilisan lang, what are the laws under the family code with respect to the dissolution or termination of marriage. So just stick with me. Here in the Philippines, there are just two ways to sever the marital tie or to end the marital relation. In order to dissolve marriage, para mapawalang bisa ang kasal, dalawang paraan lang po dito sa country natin. First is the declaration of nullity of marriage. And second, we have the annulment of marriage. Yun na yung common natin na naririnig. Annulment of marriage. Magkaiba po ang dalawa. May iba't ibang grounds po. We have different grounds for the declaration of nullity of marriage and we have different grounds for the filing of annulment of marriage. And tandaan po, wala pong divorce dito sa Philippines. Pag sinabi kong divorce, I'm referring to absolute divorce. Kasi there are two kinds of divorce. We have absolute divorce and relative divorce. Sa absolute divorce, wala po tayong law na nag-a-allow for divorce. Sa divorce kasi, it's the consent of both parties. Pag sinabi ng mag-asawa na, okay, maghiwalay na tayo, i-terminate na natin ang marriage, and they will just have to sign the papers. So that's absolute divorce. Wala pong ganyan dito sa Philippines. Pero with respect sa relative divorce, meron po. Kasi dito sa Philippines, relative divorce is otherwise known as legal separation. Sa legal separation naman po, hindi po siya kasama sa pag-terminate ng marriage. Kasi sa legal separation, you are still married to each other. Kasal pa rin kayo sa legal separation. Kaya lang, there's a separation in bed and board. Sa legal separation po, kasal pa rin kayo. Pero tandaan po, sa legal separation, kailangang magkaroon ng court proceeding. Dadaan po sa korte ang legal separation. Kaya yung mga agreement na yan sa barangay na maghiwalay na yung dalawa, yung lalaki at saka babae, yung mag-asawa, wala pong effect yan. In fact, that is a circumvention of the law. Wala pong effect yan. So let's go back. Again, there are just two ways to sever the marital relation. Para mapawalang bisa ang kasal, merong dalawang paraan. Una is, you file a case for